just remembered after mooning yesterday about not getting a fucking Pekingese that you get the dog you need, not the dog you want. I remembered. I don't know why I needed this, what I needed it for. I put on this pony boat today. I'll tell you the story of the first time I walked on this actual one that I got from eBay. She jumped after a pigeon in town and the end pinged off it. So I don't know why I needed that to happen, except for I called her back and she came. So maybe I needed that to happen so I could moan about either the strength of this dog or the lack of workmanship, quality workmanship on the pony line that I bought from eBay. Either way, apparently you get the dog you need, not the dog you want. So I'm not sure I could have done the same thing with Pekingese. It wouldn't have been quite so effectual use of my time. She's having a wee on that shepherd's purse. I like this because it's got little hearts on it. But I don't really know what else it's for in the language of flowers. Shepherd's purse is a curse. I don't know if that's true. Sheep's purse, shepherd's purse. It's got hearts on it though. This is where I used to get my sage, a little bit of wild garden. That's purple sage. I have now got some growing in my garden. But dogs do wee on it. I still used to use it sometimes. That's periwinkle, which I call Bethlehem, Star of Bethlehem, but I don't think it is. So there, back to, there's one of those foreign butterflies. Foreign. I used to hate those ones. Oh, look at those forget-me-nots. They were variegated. I saw those the other day. The leaves are variegated. But the colour's really nice on them. They're quite magical, aren't they? I'm going to have some of those away, Pam, when they get off there, Dolly. She's just aerating the ground for you. When they go to seed, I'm going to grab some and shake them round my own garden. Just a head or two. What do you mean they're like old weeds? Yeah. So they're called forget-me-nots. You never forget them. Ever. Maybe they'll come by themselves. I like those old variegated ones you popped in. What else might I have from here? I thought about digging up some daffodil bulbs. I thought, no, don't do that. Don't need any more in your garden. Why did I need this dog? Old man Bogey, my father, Vinnie Jones. What did I need this one in all of heaven's days? Just so you could prove that your old slaggy daughter could build a fence from Poundland, so that old tramp husband of hers can stop complaining that he keeps sperming all his money on non-necessary items. Probably. And learns her bloody lesson. That's probably it. Right, I'm going to town. That's what. Oh, the dog's having a shit outside this house. And luckily for me, I have got some poo bags. Probably because it's a blue door. Probably trying to get a message. Maybe she knows they've got a camera inside and they're checking that I do actually clean up after my dog. You never know. I do this. This old bag I've got with me. Got one scrap left. Dogs though remark over the same places, don't they? Often. So maybe that's just the toilet impost. Scratting. what she just did when they spat in the dirt is just to spray their scent around, isn't it? With their glands between their paws and all the rest of it, sending their messages around the world. Oh, there was a thing on the internet yesterday, there's too many dog trainers. I think that's probably true. But I was thinking then back to Little Shoe, Greyhound and that sort of dog training. But I suppose it depends what you're training for, doesn't it? It's like personal trainers, there's probably too many personal trainers as well. But everyone's an expert in their own field, aren't they? This is a conker tree or a horse chestnut. Did you know you could eat those if you process them properly? You can anyway. Like acorns. You can make acorn coffee, but you have to leach all the what's it called out of it? Not tannin, it's something like that. No, it's the same as slugs. If you want to eat those, you have to soak them for about 4 years. And if you want to eat snails, you have to put them in a bucket with lettuce, just in case they've eaten anything toxic. Like, the bees, when they eat all the medicinal plants and they make honey, sometimes they sting people after they've eaten a toxic flower. And you can have an allergy response. Nature's a crazy thing. Crazy. Right, I'm tapping out now. I've done enough performing for one day. I used to love these little cars, they were cute, weren't they? Like a retro thing with igloos. I was always slightly, do you know what, and why I am extremely autistic, the colours were just not quite right for me. There was something lacking in the what's it called? What's it called? What's it called? The colour, what's it called? The vibrancy, the tone. That's just me though, and my eyes. Right, I'm off then to Sky's Pies, that's what. Is that a monkey puzzle too? Puzzle of a monkey puzzle. I know. I just stand here